What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make 2022 in 60 photos trend. Okay, so if you are seeing this trend, guys, on Instagram and TikTok and you want to make the same thing, here is exactly how you can create or make 2022 in 60 photos. Easy, guys. This is the easiest thing I have ever done on TikTok. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to just download Capcut. Okay, don't worry, this is not a complicated thing, and the owner of Capcut is TikTok. Like, they made this app, they are the owner of this app. Just search for Capcut. Now as you can see here, guys, this is Capcut. This is the logo of Capcut. You want to just download this app if you are using Android or iPhone. Download this app. Now after you download, guys, the app, just allow the permission. It will ask you if you are going to allow this app to use pictures on your iPhone. Just click on allow. As you can see, this is the icon of the app. Just click it and you will ask you, like, if you allow some permissions. If they don't ask you for anything, just close the app. You don't have to open it now. We are not going to use it now. Just open your TikTok. Now after, guys, you open your TikTok, you want to click friends at the very bottom here, bottom left, and then click search in the top. Click search in the top and then search for 2022 in 60 photos.
And with that, the 2022 season,
you can select any video you want. We just want to use this. As you can see, it says here, Capcut, try this template. Click it. Use template in Capcut, and it will take you directly to Capcut. And then click use template. As you can see at the very bottom right, click use template. Now you want to just select the 60 photos. This will take a little bit. It depends on how fast you can select pictures. Now before that, you want to click on photos in the top right. Click on photos so that your phone will only show you photos. Now I'm going to click 60 photos. I'm going to click random photos, as you can see. Now after that, guys, after you select 60 photos, you want to click on preview at the very bottom right. Now the Capcut will take you directly to your TikTok. Okay, after that, you want to click on add sound in TikTok in the top right. This will take a little, like a few seconds to export. Wait for it, and Capcut will take you directly to your TikTok account. Now you have successfully made 2022 and 60 photos. That's all you need to do, guys. Now in the top, it says here add sound. You want to click add sound in the top and search for 60 photos in 2022. It's like a trend. No, you have to search for 2022 in 60 photos. And it will give you the songs that are good with that video, the songs that are popular with that with the trend that you are creating right now, 2022 in 60 photos. Now click next and then click post at the very bottom. So now you have posted the video. That's all you need to do, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Leave a like.